We take pleasure to bring to all the second virtual botanical excursion by Rizvi College. We thank our president, Dr. Akhtar Hassan Rizvi, our director advocate, Mrs. Rubina Akhtar Hassan Rizvi, and our principal, Dr. Anjum Ara Ahmed, for their constant support and encouragement. This wouldn't have been possible without the help of our head of department, Mrs. Neha Nanjia, and our mentor, Dr. Nitesh Joshi. Department of Botany, Rizvi College of Arts, Science and Commerce presents Common Weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants that grow on roads, gardens, lawns, and sometimes even on walls. We pluck them away, calling them useless, without knowing much about them and their benefits. Today, we will look at the common weeds growing across Mumbai and in which ways they are useful. In this excursion, we have covered Carter Road, areas near Juhu Beach, and Bandra Fort. We have included 21 species in this excursion, beginning with Sesamum indicum. It belongs to family Pedaliaceae. Its vernacular name is til. It is a plant growing in tropical and warm temperate parts of the world. It bears the seeds we call sesame or til. Nutty flavored oil is derived from its seeds, which is used in cuisine all across the world. Ricinus communis. It belongs to family Euphorbiaceae. Its vernacular name is arundel. It is commonly called castor. It is a very common, rapidly growing weed across many countries in the tropical zone. Its most abundantly used form is castor oil, which is a traditional medicine for abdominal diseases, arthritis, sciatica, rheumatism, and a lot more. Vernonia cinerea. It belongs to family Asteraceae. Its vernacular name is Sahadevi. With no doubt, I can say that this is the most commonly spotted weed, at least in Mumbai. It is an annual medicinal herb which grows as a weed in farms, gardens, roads, and road dividers. It is used in the treatment of fever, localized swelling, wounds, renal calculi, skin diseases, and elephantiasis. Epomia species. They belong to family Convolvulaceae. It is an evergreen flowering shrub which has invaded tropical and subtropical parts of the world. Epomia carnea is a toxic species, while others are used for treating abdominal diseases, headaches, fevers, and bronchitis. Malachra capitata. It belongs to family Malvaceae. Its vernacular name is Pardesi bhindi. It is a fiber plant found in India and Cuba, commonly called Brazilian jute. It is used in pain, hepatic cirrhosis, inflammation, diarrhea, convulsion, dementia, pyrexia, ulcer, and healing of wounds. Alternanthera sessilis. It belongs to family Amaranthaceae. Its vernacular name is Bechkusar. It is commonly called sessile joy weed. It is found in damp places, ditches, wetlands, and roadsides. It is used as a local medicine for the treatment of hepatitis, bronchitis, asthma, and other lung troubles. Crotalaria retusa. It belongs to family Fabaceae. Its vernacular name is Fudfudi. This plant is known as creeping hemp. It is native to Asia. Their stalks are incredibly strong and are used as fibers in textile, shoes, paper industries, and also for making cordages, ropes, and fishing nets. Lupha aegyptiaca. It belongs to family Cucurbitaceae. Its vernacular name is Gheeturai. This cucumber family plant is what we know as sponge gourd. It grows as a vine. Apart from cooking, it is a vegetable and is used in treating and preventing colds, nasal swelling, sinus problems, and even arthritis. Hyptis suavulens. It belongs to family Lamiaceae and its vernacular name is bushthorn. It is a weed native to Mexico, West Indies, and South America. It is used traditionally to treat inflammation, gastric ulcers, and infections. Lantana camara. It belongs to family Verbenaceae. Its vernacular name is Ghaneri. It is native to Central and South American and also other tropical and subtropical countries. This plant has antimicrobial, fungicidal, and insecticidal properties. It is a herbal medicine for measles, skin itches, leprosy, chicken pox, and ulcers. Urina lobata. It belongs to family Malvaceae. Its vernacular name is Ran tupkuda. It grows wild in tropical and subtropical parts of the world. The plant is externally used for treating fractures, wound, mastitis, and snake bites. Decoction of its roots is used for relief from cold, dysentery, enteritis, goiter, leucorrhea, and malaria. Epomia pescapri. It belongs to family Convolvulaceae. Its vernacular name is Dupani lata. It has astringent, diuretic, and purgative properties. Poultices made from the leaves are commonly used to treat skin affections, ulcers, boils, swelling, stings, and wounds. It is also used as an excellent seasoning herb. Epomia aquatica. It belongs to family Convolvulaceae. Its vernacular name is Nalichi bhaji. It is commonly called as swamp morning glory. It is a traditional medicine in Southeast Asia and Africa used against piles, nosebleeds, and high blood pressure. Justicia procumbens. It belongs to family Amaranthaceae. Its vernacular name is Karanbal. It is commonly known as water willow. It is used for infusion of for asthma, cough, and rheumatism. The juice of its leaves are squeezed in the eyes in case of ophthalmia. Triumphata rhomboida. It belongs to family Malvaceae and its vernacular name is Thinzira. The bast fiber of this plant is used for making ropes, strings, ties, and threads. In Nigeria, it is used for making fishing nets, and in Gabon to make the thatches of huts. Cassia tora. It belongs to family Fabaceae. Its vernacular name is Takada. Ayurveda states that its leaves and seeds have anthelmintic, ophthalmic, and cardiotonic properties. They are used in leprosy, ringworm, flatulence, and cardiac disorders. Ascinomene indica. It belongs to family Fabaceae and its vernacular name is Nalambi. It is a swampy medicinal plant used to treat kidney stones and urinary disorders, and its leaves are chewed to disinfect mouth and the throat. Sida acuta. It belongs to family Malvaceae and its vernacular name is jungli methi. It is called wireweed. This plant is used to treat nasal congestion, wheezing, cough, and common cold. It is also used for urinary tract infections, sore mouth, and fluid retention, which is called edema. Cispania aegyptiaca. It belongs to family Fabaceae and its vernacular name is savory. It is commonly called Egyptian hemp. Its roots and leaves are used as a medicine for treatment of scorpion stings, boils, abscesses, sore throat, gonorrhea, and jaundice. Its bark yields fiber for ropes and nets. Philanthus ampylus. It belongs to family Phylanthaceae. Its vernacular name is Buhiamla. It is a leafy herbal plant found in tropical parts of Asia and Africa. It is an important plant of Indian Ayurvedic medicine system used in the treatment of genitourinary system, liver, kidney and spleen. The whole plant is consumed for gonorrhea and menorrhagia. Datura stramonium. It belongs to family Solanaceae. Its vernacular name is Dhodara. Datura is a genus of 7 poisonous species. It is abused for its hallucinogenic properties. However, its seeds are used for stomach and intestinal pain due to worm infestations. The juice of the fruit is applied to the scalp for hair fall treatment. Beneficial weeds can accomplish a number of roles in the garden or soil, including fertilizing the soil, increasing moisture, acting as a shelter for live mulch, repelling pests, attracting beneficial insects, or serving as food for humans and other living beings.